Hi everyone, Salafata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Have you ever wondered how you would describe cleaning the dishes in Setswana? Well, wonder no more. Your girl got you. You ready? Buckle up. Let's get started. So before you start washing them dishes, you need to first collect them from the dining table or from wherever. So puta is to collect. Now, there are many ways to call plates. Dijana, things that you eat out of. Dipleti obviously is very much borrowed from the English word for plate. Dipleti. Dilwana tse di jelang means things that you eat from. Hoja is to eat. So things that you eat from. Dilwana tse di jelang. So to get started, you collect them. Puta dijana, puta di pleti, puta di luana tse di jelang. You collect them. And then you would scrape all the food leftovers into your compost bin or whatever. So hohola mahoho. Hohola dijo. Mahoho are like, those stuck on foods. Mahoho. So to hohola, hobula, scrub, mahoho, dijo is food. So you're scraping those food into the compost bin or whatever, into the bin. And then you would get a bucket or a sink. So when I was growing up, way back, you would actually need to get a bucket of water, emere, and go to the community tap and go and get water from there. So you would get a bucket of water or a big 25-liter container with your wheelbarrow. Luckily, it wasn't that far from my house. But you would go there. This is, before primary school, early primary school. You would go to the community tap and get water. So the whole task of washing dishes was not as convenient as it is when you have water. You can make it warm from a tap. But anyway, I digress. So you would go get water, or you would open the water. Bula meti, tela meti means bula is open, tela is pour, meti is water. So bula meti, so whether you're opening the tap, tela meti, whether you are getting it from a big 25-liter drum and putting it into a bucket, emere, and you're setting yourself up, molora, that is soap. Molora is soap. So tela molora means pour some soap in there, agitate the water. Kotokota, oh, I love that word. Kotokota means shake. So if you're shaking, if you're about to give someone medicine, kotokota le botele, like that, to shake the bottle. But then you would agitate the water, to get the foam and stuff. Foam lifulo. So to get the soap and the water to mingle properly. So that's what you do. Then you would put the plates, diluana, di jelang, di pliti, di jana, whatever your flavor, put them in the water and wash them. So katswa is to wash. Katswa di pleti, katswa di luana di jelang, katswa di jana. You do the washing. Katswa di pizza. Pizza is a pot. Di pizza's pots. So wash the pots. Katswa. And then after that, you would get rid of that water and rinse. What is to rinse? Tsukotsa. Tsukotsa is to rinse. So with just water, get the plates again in there. Di pleti, get the pots again in there. And then after that, you can leave them to air dry. Or if you're at my grandma's house, somebody's job was to actually dry the dishes. Suta. Suta is to wipe. Wipe is suta. Suta or suta. Suta is to wipe. So suta di jana, suta di pleti, suta di luana tse di jelang. That means wipe the plates and the plates in all different flavors. And then you put them away properly. Baya dilwana sentle. Baya dijana sentle. That means pack them away properly for your next meal. So quickly, puta, collect the plates. Puta di plate, scrub, get the water. Khameti. Khameti is to go and get water. Tela meti is to pour water. Tela molora, pour the soap. Tlatswa dijana, wash the plates. Tsukotsa, tsukotsa dijana, rinse the plates. Sutla dijana, dry the plates. And then put them away safely. Baya dilwana sentle. Baya dijana sentle. Now you can describe how you wash plates. Till next time. Bye.